Alright, everybody, another break of 2012 Gridiron football. 18 packs and 4 hits. Pretty fun product. 65 bucks. I can't remember which site I got these from. I want to say Blowout, but not exactly sure on that. I had the hot box a couple of days ago where I had 9 hits in 18 packs, which is pretty good. So let's see what we can break out of this. Not the best product, not the worst, but start with this. Oh, until I get hit. And the sideways cards. Cool looking cards though. We're starting with Rhett Ellison, rookie. Don't know anything about him. Okay. Not gonna flip him. Bernard Pierce, rookie Gridiron Gems. It's got 2 colors out of 249. It's an okay looking little card. He's had a tough year because yards per carry this year, and an Andre Branch rookie is around like 2.7. This one's thick too. Another hit. A.J. Jenkins and Bryce Brown, rookie. And the Jenkins is 3 different jersey swatches, and it's out of $199. So decent start. What, 3 packs, 2 hits? This one feels thick. Grinder. There's some of this trash. Merciless rookie. That's a nice one. Bruce Irvin. Autograph out of, these are $4.99. Nice little card. So there's 3 hits. Whoops. Might just break it like this. That's a gold. James Hanna gold out of 100. That's a cool card. Huh. Interesting card there. Jermichael Finley, Gridiron Signatures. Out of 49. Cool card. Wonder if he'll be able to play again. And of course, Kellen Moore. How many hits are you supposed to get in this product? I feel like I get a lot when I open it. Cool. T.Y. Hilton, rookie. Okay. That's a cool Charles card. Roddy White card. And Dwayne Allen. Rookie Gridiron Gems. 0 out of 249. Just a jersey. What is that, like 6 hits? Seven. Casey Hayward and a, what is this, a Robert Mathis, like a cutout card to 250. And Casey Hayward to 499 autograph. I think that's 7 hits. I haven't seen a patch autograph out of this stuff. This base. Fontes. It's a Namdi parallel out of 250. And another hit, that's 8. Rookie Gridiron Kings, Courtney Upshaw to 99. Very nice looking card. And T.Y. Hilton. That's very cool. These are like flipped around. That was Redemption. Bryce Brown. 2012 Panini rookie signature. It just says OS, and it's Bryce Brown. It's like 10. I think that's 10 hits. Just flip through the base. It's an awesome vid card. Another hit. That's 10. Tim Benford to 499. Alright, that's it for this box. 10 hits. Unbelievable. I have to pick up some more of this product. I can't believe it. It's outrageous, but thanks a lot, guys. I got plenty more breaks coming up very soon.